Buyur buyur abi geç. Hop hop hop hop hop hop. Tutun abi bana. Hop pardon. Dur arkana geçeyim ben.
Bana tutun abi.
Tamam. 1 2 3.
1
2 3.
Tamam.
Hop. Aman abi.
İyi misin?
İyi misin abi? Var mı bir şeyin? This morning I wanted to try to stop and do something nice for someone else. I do like this. Hey man, how's it going? My name's Andrew. Hey, I just had a couple bottles of water and some snack bars with me. Would that be something that might help you out a little bit? Alright man. There you go. I commute with my wife sometimes to work, and I see you're out here like every morning, aren't you? Yeah, that's cool. One of those is cold if you want it now. I know it's already humid out there, but I hope that helps you out a little bit.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, what's your name?
Alan.
Alan? Alright man, it's nice to meet you. If I'm driving by, I might beep at you now and again and wave, okay? But that's just me, alright? Yeah, thanks man, thanks. I thought it would be easier to pull up here on the bike than in the car, so hopefully I don't get in trouble. Alright man, I hope that you have a great day, okay? It was nice to meet you, Alan.
You want your boot putting down? Your boot is open.
You doing alright today? I don't know if you would want some of this.
Yes, sir.
No problem. Here's some soup. I even got some utensils. Ooh, peanut butter and bread. Of course, the water, brother.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. Take care of yourself, alright? Be safe.
Thank you. Come here, come here. Wait, is that hubby? What? Is that your husband or boyfriend? Okay, that's for you then. I was gonna say it's for him if not. Happy Valentine's Day.
You know what, I've got all this free food on the back of my bike. If I go to the shop, we're just going to throw it out probably, or eat it. The homeless guy sitting right there, maybe I should give it to him. He might be hungry. You hungry? You hungry? Here's a bottle of Fanta. I've just done a delivery and it was paid online, but they cancelled it and they didn't tell us. So I've got some pizzas in the bag. You want them? Yeah? You got pizza and wedges, man. No worries. Hey, have a good New Year, yeah? Merry Christmas, brother. Take care.
Baby bird?
Yeah, you can't play it.
Uh-oh. Yeah. Hey, little guy. Hey, here. Come here. Come here. Oh, I got you. I got you. I got you. Yeah, I got you. And it's trying to bite me. All right. All right. I got you. All right. There you go. No. I gotta go, buddy.
Since this is a day of charity and giving, what I'm going to do now is that the weather's getting colder. Tonight the weather's going to be, it's going to dip below freezing. I'm going to give out some things that will help them keep them warm, as like little like beanie hats, gloves, and blankets. Let's go help somebody, guys. Hey man, since it's the holidays and it's getting awfully cold around here, I'm just kind of riding around, kind of giving out like some beanies, gloves, and a blanket. I didn't know if you'd want anything.
Gloves.
Yeah? Alright, man. You doing okay? Here you go, man. Have a good one. Be safe.
Good Samaritan. No.
Hurry up!
They. Papa.